Hydropower engineering goes far beyond power supply and storage. Through the project, we use our skills to bring water to communities, farms and factories. In a warming world with increasingly scarce resources, it's more vital than ever. My name is Alice Lecoq. I'm today Director of Large Water Projects at Tractebel. I joined the company nearly 10 years ago to get the opportunity to engineer water solutions with sustainable impacts on a global scale. I'm currently leading a great team of 80 people to design a large pump storage plant for a renowned contractor. The project is key to the transition of Australia to a carbon-neutral future. Over the years, I've worked on various structuring water projects in developing countries with Tractebel, especially in Africa. Those experiences have shown me how engineering can uplift entire communities. A project unlocks the potential of water, often in places that need it most in the world. I enjoy taking part in a wide range of technical, economic, environmental and social discussion, as well as interacting with a large panel of stakeholders from public authorities, international financial institutions to private developers and contractors. Collective intelligence powers our work at Tractebel. By pooling our expertise and coming together as one cohesive and engaged team, we create positive value that lasts. And ultimately, that's what sustainability is all about.